What's up, man? What is that? What is that, man? All right, man. Not the right time to be joking around.
Oh my God. Excuse me. I don't know what's going on.
Got the munchies, bro. Got the munchies, bro.
Excuse me. Those are my chips.
All right, one.
Those are my chips. Those were the last ones.
No.
No. Go get your own chips.
I like the money, bro.
Can you guys call security? He's eating my food.
Yo, dog, chill, bro. It's a prank, bro.
You can't eat my chips.
It's a prank, bro.
Get out. Yo, what is wrong with you?
Do I know you? You the goat man.
Go, man.
Out in here?
Gift cards with your digital coupon. Then redeem points at the pump. It's that simple. See you
Oh my God.
Let me get a Whopper Jr.
What number is it?
A Whopper Jr. meal. Yeah, on a Whopper Jr. meal. With no mayonnaise, add cheese.
Ah, fuck, you just want something.
Oh, wow. This is literally my first time I've ever heard someone ask for a Whopper.
It's on a Whopper meal.
Help! I need help.
Yeah.
Where's the Whopper?
Want a Whopper meal? Whopper Jr.
What's a Whopper?
Whopper Jr. with no mayonnaise.
We don't have Whoppers. That's Burger King.
Oh, there's no Whoppers here?
It's Gucci, bro.
Oh my God, no Whoppers?
No.